Premium Pro KDJ. Before installing the Premium Pro KDJ shower enclosure, read the instruction manual carefully and check that the product is complete and free from any damage caused during transport. Checking the level of the shower tray. You can install the shower enclosure in two different ways, directly on the floor or on a suitable shower tray. Remember to check the level of the floor or shower tray before installation. If the base or shower tray is properly levelled, place suitable shims 2 mm thick in the area where the U-profile and glass will be located. If not, then use the thicker shims included in the set to achieve level. We will demonstrate the installation of the shower enclosure on a shower tray. The overall dimensions of the shower tray should be within the ranges shown in the table. Using the dimensions in the table, mark the location of the installation of U-profiles on the wall. Install the wall profiles, paying attention to their cross sections and maintaining the verticality of the installed profiles. Trim the silicone shim. Fit the cover strip to the wall profile. Insert the glass brackets into the upper track and the cover into the lower track. Measure the width of the fixed front wall and cut the infill seal according to the pattern in the instruction manual. Slide it into the top track. Screw the tracks to the wall profile pre-installed on the glass. Insert the cover of the bottom track. Screw the bottom track to the wall profile. Install the shower enclosure front to the wall profile, making sure to slide the cover into the bottom of the profile. Position the sidewall glass on the previously prepared silicone shims. The sticker on the glass indicating the side of the Easy Clean coating must be inside the enclosure. Screw the sidewall of the shower enclosure to the front of the enclosure through the mounting holes. Adjust the position of the shower enclosure with the rim of the shower tray. Slide the wedge seal between the U-profile and the glass. Use glass cleaner to make installation easier. Cut it to size. Install a set of wall profile covers to the front of the shower enclosure. When installing the first one, make sure that it flushes with the shower enclosure profile, then fit the second cover onto it. Slide the wedge seal between the glass and the lower track and cut it to size. Install rollers on the door glass. Remember to degrease the door glass before installing the lower rollers. Install the door handle. Holding the door at an angle, hang it on the top track. By pressing the lower roller, push it into the track. Fit the vertical seal with a cut to the fixed wall glass starting from the bottom. Cut it to the height of the glass. Then install the vertical seal to the door glass. Cut it to the height of the glass. Slide the seal into the corner profile. Fit the corner profile cover. Adjust the door so that it touches the seal at its full height. Screw the bumpers in the designated areas. Make sure that the top and bottom rollers are flush with the surface of the bumper rubber. If not, use additional bumpers for self-cutting. Install the bumper covers. Check the operation of the door, glass, brake and adjust it. The glass should slide freely and lock when pushed against the bumpers. Screw on the cover of the corner profile and the side wall of the enclosure. Cut the silicone shims that were previously placed. Seal the shower enclosure with fungus and mould-resistant sanitary silicone sealant. Remember that the minimum drying time for silicone is 24 hours. The shower enclosure cannot be used during this time.